Step 3. Power on. In this step, we have following tasks to do. Pump ink from waste tank manually. This step was required most of the time. And then move the print head card manually to the middle and hook up the main power. Print head go to home position and self check. And then we'll open the software, print press and load ink. This step may be repeated 2 or 3 times if the ink was not output to the waste tank. And then we'll need to adjust the print head focus by the gauge and execute the print check and see the print strip results. If it's not good, print the test file color.prn few times or execute the string clean. After that, we redo the print check to make sure the print strip is good. Then we can move to next step. First, I return the print head card to the home position. I will pull out the waste ink pipe and pour the ink by the syringe and highlight. I need to drag the print head card to the right side like this and hold it. Then pour the syringe. Pour it and some ink come out and I release. It will bounce back. That means the seal is good like this. Okay, it can bounce back, pull and bounce back. That means the seal is good enough. And I will pull the pipe to the tank again. Every time before you turn the U printer, the print head card should on the right hand side, and when you turn off the machine, you need to drag it to the right to make sure the print head was sealed by the ink station. That's the way the ink dry out. And every time before you turn the printer, please move the print head card to the middle. That's because we need good repositioning. Okay, now I turn it on again. The print head responds slowly. Just wait a second. Okay, in this status, the system hand over control to user. We can control the printer now. Then we move to the point E, launch print express and load ink. till the ink output to the waste tank. This process may need repeat 2 or 3 times, each time 20 seconds. If you cannot have the ink output to waste tank, please contact us for help. Now you can see the ink was output smoothly. That's correct. Then turn off the load ink and insert the waste ink pipe to the tank. And clean the tank around. Recap. Keep it semi-close, that's okay. And then put it back. Point F. Now I'm going to adjust the printhead focus like this, and then print check and see the print strip results. If the results not good, please print the test file color.prn few times or execute the strong clean. Then redo the print check. If the print result is good, we move to next. Okay, we just see the results from print check. I will show how to adjust the focus. This is the machine origin. If you don't set the margin or the offsets, every print will start from here. And this is the focus gauge, custom gauge. I will use this stick to adjust the focus. The first thing I'm going to do is to move the printhead card to the origin point here, and please make sure the workbed is low enough it won't damage the printhead. Leave enough distance between the edge of the card and the bed. I'm going to use left button and the back button to move the printhead. I have a small tip. When you move the printhead, please make sure keep your eye on the printhead and lift the shade. Then I will use the up button to lift the workbench. Lift the workbench. And slowly wind the distance is small. It's almost done. Okay, in this stage is the gauge can just pass through. That's okay. The right edge of the print card is okay, and let me check the left side. It seems the left side the gauge cannot insert. I need to adjust the life size screws. Okay, it's okay now. After strip printed, you may have different results. If you have these results, that's good and normal. It has some lines misplaced, that's okay, no problem. We always have this. And if you have the kind of results with half missed, it's abnormal. The cause may be the air bubble inside printing heads that cause the printing head cannot print the color fully. And the solution is leave it for a few hours or print your job. A few days later, the problem will solve. And if you have the results in the last picture, that's a problem because the white color or certain color is not shown. Maybe the ink load was not successful. So the thing we need to do is recheck ink flow from ink bottle to the print heads, and then from the print heads to the waste ink bottle to make sure the ink can flow smoothly. After the check, in most cases, you will have this problem solved. Go to clean and to have all clean strong. This is the strong clean process. We suggest you do it 1-2 times at most. If it cannot solve the the print strip problem, then we need to stop. We normally clean it maybe only when the strip was not good. We don't use it very much. Since the ink flow was checked, also the print head clean strong was proceeded. I will check the print check again. The print strip will be print here. Click the check button again. Now probably you can see the strip from left to right, white, black, cyan, magenta and yellow. If you want to be more clear, you can print the strip a few times. This result was reprint a few times, and it still have some lines misplaced. That's not a problem. In this case, that's okay. In this menu, there's some misplacement on each color strip. That's fine. It won't impact your print. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much.